Good day, sir. I am Midshipman Wendell Valentos. Today, I will recite Rule 22 in color rigs. Visibility of rights. The right of prescribed in this rule shall have intensity as specified as Section 8 of an Annex I to those regulations so as to be visible at the following minimum range. Section A. And a vessel of 30 meters or more in light. Masted light 6 miles. A side light 3 miles. A stern light 3 miles. A towing lights 3 miles. A white, red, green, or yellow all around lights 3 miles. Section B. And vessel of 12 meters more in the length but less than 50 meters in length. A masted light 5 miles except that where the light of vessel is less than 20 meters 3 miles. Section A. Side light 2 miles. A stern light 2 miles. A towing light 2 miles. A white, green, yellow all around lights 2 miles. Section C. And a vessel of less than 12 meters in length. Section A. Masted light 2 miles. Section 2. Side light 1 miles. Section 3. Stern light 2 miles. Section 4. A towing light 2 miles. Section 5. White, red, green, or yellow all around lights is 2 miles. Section D. In enclosed, previous, partly submerged vessel or objects being towed. Section A. A white all around light 3 miles.